kilometers away from Kolkata, in a very small village in Marathi, is where Pranab Mukherjee's roots are. And ET Now was the first to bring you the man's origins exactly 3 years back. It has been a period of global turmoil, at least the last 1 year, and Pranab Mukherjee himself has had to fight many battles, not just within the country, but even outside. But as Pranab Mukherjee leaves all those battles behind to invoke Ma Durga during this festival, we don't just join Pranab Da in the celebrations, we also hope and pray that many of those concerns and issues will be sorted out. It's a pleasure bringing to you Puja with Pranab once again.
We take the road less travelled to meet Pranab Da. For him, it's a short chopper ride from Kolkata to get to the closest helipad in Kirnahar, where a part of his family lives. It's a town that gave India one of its tallest politicians, a town that has perhaps never seen a toy chopper, and which is why crowds throng in big numbers to see that and also to see one of their own who has successfully put Marathi on the world map.
Pranab Mukherjee never compromises with, be it hail or storm. He always makes time for this festival. And yes, he has weathered many in New Delhi in the past few weeks. He will be joining his family in a bit, and that's clearly where his heart lies.
Pranab Da, as he's called at home, is relaxed and calm. Away from New Delhi, over many cups of tea, conversation flows. Hard to imagine, UPA's number 2 has everything except politics on his mind. He recommends books to me, shares lessons in history, and traces his own journey, one that is truly fascinating. But this is also his time to bond with the family. And so we ask them, who does he turn to when he's troubled?
पिछले एक साल में जब हम पिछली बार पूजा पर आए थे और इस बार में बहुत सारे घटनाएं हुए हैं, मतलब बहुत ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी में टर्मोइल है, घर पे भी इंडिया में भी इश्यूज है. तो कभी वो परेशान होकर आप लोगों को फोन करते हैं या कभी जब उनको शांति चाहिए होता है तो क्या करते हैं?
वो नहीं कारो साहाয্য নেয় না, ও নিজেই সমাধান করে, যে কোনো সমস্যার সমাধান ও নিজেই করে.
Some of you are a part of his family. I'll just ask you this question because you're the youngest of the lot here. But, you know, he is somebody who everybody looks up to within the government, outside, within his party, opposition. When there is a turmoil, when there is disturbance, the party relies on him to break through the negotiations. I mean, be it the Anna Hazare crisis or be it the 2G crisis, it was he who actually, you know, finally broke the stalemate. At some level, isn't he a big inspiration आपके लिए?
वो तो सही है ना, obvious है कि उनके जैसा आदमी को हम लोग इतना करीब से देख रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो ये तो हम लोग के इंस्पिरेशन हो, आइडल हो, सभी वही है.
उनका जो पॉलिटिकल जो लाइफ है वो कभी भी फैमिली लाइफ के साथ मिक्स अप नहीं करते हैं. हम लोगों के साथ बहुत अच्छा वो जो जोक्स होता है, जोक्स वगैरह
मतलब पूरा सेपरेट रहता है. फैमिली लाइफ और पॉलिटिकल लाइफ में कोई मतलब यहाँ पर आके कि इतना बड़ा टेंशन है, कुछ भी टेंशन हो, तो हम लोग
पता नहीं चलता है,
कुछ पता नहीं चलता. मतलब जब हम लोग घर पे होते हैं, हम लोग फैमिली की तरह होते हैं, तो उसका मतलब बात करने का तरीका पूरा अलग रहता है.
टीवी तो दीदी भी देखती है, पेपर भी पढ़ती है, कितना इश्यूज हो रहा है आजकल. आपको कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि दीदी को कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा भाई कितना इश्यूज को डील करता है, कई बार दुख होता है?
চিন্তা হয়, তবে আমি একটা আমার দৃঢ় ধারণা যে যাই কিছু সমস্যা হোক, আমার ভাই সব সমস্যা সব জটিলতা কাটিয়ে বেরিয়ে আসতে পারে. একটু উদ্বিগ্ন হয় না যে কি হবে না হবে, আমার কোনো উদ্বিগ্ন হয় না. আমি জানি যে আমার ভাইয়ের এমনই ধৈর্য আছে বা ওর একটা ক্ষমতা আছে, ও সব জটিলতা সব সমস্যা কাটিয়ে বেরিয়ে আসতে পারে.
पर दीदी आज डांट सकती है, सर को डांटती है कभी?
হ্যাঁ বকবো না, হ্যাঁ বকি. সে মিনিস্টার হয়েছে বলে আমি দিদি, আমি তাকে তার হলে বকবো না, আমি বকি.
The idol is adorned and it's time for the festivities to kick off that begin with an early morning Kolabau Puja. By the river, one that marks a prayer being offered to Lord Ganesha's wife.
Day 7 of the puja is when formal celebrations really begin. That's also the time when Pranab Mukherjee begins his customary Chandi path, something that he's been doing for many years. For a man who's juggling numbers to keep up the growth momentum or firefighting for his party every single day in New Delhi, it's remarkable how he can give it all up and sit in isolation there day after day during puja and recite the Chandi Path for 3 to 4 long hours every single day when he actually sits there doing so. It's important to notice then that this is perhaps where he gets all his inspiration from.
Pranabda has begun chanting the Devi Mahamatmyam, or the glory of the goddess.
Puja marks the return of the goddess as she comes visiting her mother every year. There's a lot of resemblance with what Pranabda does himself. Puja also marks the victory of good over evil, of right over wrong, important lessons that come in handy for the chief troubleshooter in New Delhi.
Chandi Path is a Hindu text that describes the victory of Durga over the demon Mahishasur. With over 700 verses arranged into 13 chapters, it will take Pranab 4 to 5 hours to finish reading the sacred text. Time perhaps to meet the FM's family. To begin with, the lady of the house, Shobhra Mukherjee, Pranab's wife of 54 years, an accomplished Rabindra Sangeet singer herself, a passion that she shares with her husband.
पहले मैं बहुत अच्छा गाती थी.
हाँ. Who inspired you? आप कैसे इसमें?
My mother was a very good singer.
Oh, अच्छा.
वो बहुत अच्छा गाती थी. कीर्तन गाती थी ज़्यादा.
So उनके इंस्पिरेशन से you have done this. I will ask you.
बहुत अच्छा लिखते थे और गाती थी. सबसे अच्छा इतना साल शादी हुआ, 54 years. कभी तुम्हारे सर के साथ हमारे एक दिन के लिए भी झगड़ा नहीं हुआ.
एक दिन भी झगड़ा नहीं हुआ?
एक दिन के 1 सेकंड के लिए भी झगड़ा नहीं हुआ.
पर सर का तो बहुत टेम्पर है ना, गुस्सा हो जाते हैं बाहर. घर पे कैसे है वो? घर पे बिल्कुल अलग है
ना, शांत है, कोई गुस्सा नहीं करते, कब भी गुस्सा नहीं करते.
अच्छा.
मेरे साथ तो कभी जिंदगी में झगड़ा नहीं हुआ.
अभी जैसे अभिजीत दा आपके सन है, वो भी अभी पॉलिटिक्स में आ गए हैं. पिछले बार हम लोग उनसे बात करते
बिल्कुल इच्छा नहीं था.
वही मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ आपको. आपने सर को देखा है कितना मेहनत करते हैं, सुबह से शाम हो जाता है, रात हो जाता है, तो आपको लगता नहीं कि वो मेरा लड़का भी अभी यही बेचारा इसमें आ गया है?
मैं बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करती है जो मेरा लड़का पॉलिटिक्स में आए.
तो आपने उनको मना किया था जब आ रहे थे?
मैं मना किया था. मैंने तो नौकरी मत छोड़ो, ये मत करो.
कोई भी ट्रबल गवर्नमेंट को लेके होता है, हमेशा प्रणबदा ही बीच में आके उसको रिजॉल्व करते हैं. कितना भी क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट होता है वही करते हैं. ऑपोजिशन से भी वही बात करते हैं. मतलब ही इज द मैन हु इज लाइक दे से वर्चुअली रनिंग.
ब्रेन बहुत शार्प है.
हाँ, वही मैं पूछना चाह रही थी.
बहुत ही शार्प है.
तो लेकिन आपको कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत शार्प है, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है और शायद इसीलिए सब कुछ करते भी है, पर आपको कभी कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि इतना थक जाते हैं, क्यों इतना काम कर रहे हैं?
ना, वो कहते काम नहीं करूंगी तो मतलब काल फिर इतना ज्यादा फाइल हो जाएगा.
आप हमारे लिए एक रविंद्र संगीत जो आपका सबसे फेवरेट हो वो आप हमको प्लीज सुनाइए.
কাছে দূরে চলে সালে বাজায় বাজায় বাঁশি ভালোবাসি ভালোবাসি.
Politics runs in Pranab's family, and his older son Abhijit hasn't been able to escape that. A first-time legislator in West Bengal Assembly, this former SAIL employee is the third-generation politician in Mukherjee Bhavan.
Now that you're in politics yourself, you are understanding the pulls and pressures of the government from within. Somebody like you has grown up with it. You have already known it, but you are understanding this from within. Has your equation with your father changed at all in that sense? Do you understand it perhaps a little more than you did earlier? I mean,
to some extent you are right.
Yeah.
Because earlier I used to treat him as my father only, not exactly as a political boss. Yes, government boss is okay. And now I see my father is as also a political bigwig, heavyweight, and his point of view, I try to follow this empathy.
Is it more a relationship of equals, so to say?
No, not equal. Because in any case it cannot be equal. neither by age, neither by relation,
And not
nor by experience.
That's right.
So you can say other way around. I am a junior colleague to him.
But in New Delhi, for instance, when we sit and see the politics pan out at a national scale, there are lots of pressures within the government, be it the 2G scam, be it the Anna Hazare crisis, and all of that. Do you sometimes feel, as a son, you know, I mean, all of us feel protected. There is a time when the son becomes the father and the father becomes the son when he grows a little older. Do you sometimes feel your father is having to face very tough crises?
As a son, definitely I want.
Yeah.
Because his health concern is a real concern for me. But at the same time, I know his nature. First priority is the government. First priority is the party. First priority is the duty. And his nature, he always wants to be involved in some kind of job, some kind of work. If he is kept idle and kept confined to a home, so he'll be mentally upset.
I'm sure.
So the
Also addicted to the work
Yes,
that he
yes.
does. Does your wife, I'm sure she runs a household, or your mother, for instance, do they ever turn around and tell him that prices are too high? Why aren't you doing something about it?
Yeah, my mother and my wife keeps on telling my father also, the high price, high price. If price is not controlled, he will not be voted for. So please do something, please do something.